What's going on, guys? Welcome back. And in today's video I want to talk again about money and cryptocurrencies versus gold, silver. The reason why I actually want to talk about these things, that's because I actually enjoy gold, silver, collecting these kind of things. And today I want to explain my personal opinion through my experience. Again, I'm not a financial advisor or a professional here. I don't claim to be a professional. Just through my experience by putting money into cryptocurrencies versus gold and silver. So personally, I do think all of them are great investments. Some have bigger risks, some are definitely more rewarding, and some are more fun. For example, I enjoy actually holding physical gold and physical silver because, to me it's like fun, kind of just going through them all the time. Now let's start first with Bitcoin. Now, as you guys know, I'm actually quite a pro Bitcoin person. So I'm sure most of you know markets have been dropping badly in the last few weeks, due to the situation around the world. And that's the same to gold and all the other markets, whether it's stock markets or cryptocurrency, gold, silver, everything has been dropping, but certain things are slightly recovering a little bit. However, it's still early days. Things might still drop again, or even worse, it's still early into this whole pandemic. So we'll have to wait and see how all of this plays out. However, Bitcoin has a higher risk rate than investing money in gold. So there's two things you have to consider if you're looking to invest or just store money. When you invest in something like cryptocurrency is known for very volatile. So you can have a massive 50% drop in one day versus gold. Gold won't drop 50% in a day. First of all, let me explain the risks by investing in cryptocurrencies versus gold or silver. Now, cryptocurrencies are known to be very, very volatile. So that means that a Bitcoin, for example, could have a 50% or 60% drop in a single day. And obviously that's more risky. So if you put, let's say, $1,000 into Bitcoin, it can drop 50-60% in a day. However, on the plus side, Bitcoin could go the upside 50% in a day too. And that's happened in the past through history, through the charts. It has happened. And that's the risk. The bigger the risk is, they say, the bigger the reward could be. So let's say if you invest $1,000 into Bitcoin, your $1,000 could be $3,000 potentially down the line. Now, on the other hand, if you invest in something like gold, gold is going to go up in value over the years, as it has been doing so for years and years. However, if gold drops, it would not drop 50-60% in a single day. That's very, very unlikely that will happen. The reason for that is a number of reasons, but one of the main simple reasons is gold is, demanded worldwide through central banks, and countries alone hold tons and tons of gold. So gold is something that is highly demandable for everyone, for every single country around the world. On the other hand, Bitcoin, it's not something that everyone demands. It's more retail investors, and there are of course bigger companies that accumulate Bitcoin, but for example, governments don't buy Bitcoin. So gold could drop, but not by 50-60% in a single day. But on the downside, if you buy gold, it's not going to go up 50% as well. I mean, maybe over 20 years or over 10 years, but over the short term, your gold won't go up massively. I'll give you an example. This is 1 gram of gold, okay? I bought this 1 gram about 3-4 weeks ago, and I paid for it in the UK £50. Okay? Let me just take this out so you guys can actually see how small this is. This is how small it is. But I do love actually playing. I mean, not playing with it, but I do love kind of touching it. That's one of the rewarding things when having gold or silver. So this 1 gram, I paid for it about £50 about 3 weeks ago. Right now, as today, okay, these things change every day depending on the market value. So right now, as today, this exact thing is selling for £56. Now that's £6 on top of my £50, which isn't bad actually for 3 weeks, but due to the current situation, so things have been going up and down, so it's slightly different than the standard, I would say standard year or standard month. As we know now, it's like major markets going up and down. But what I'm trying to say is this thing here won't double its value. Well, now we never know because what's going on around the world, but governments printing trillions of dollars, America printing $4 trillion. and every other country around the world printing massive money. So now potentially this could go double its value over the next maybe few years. We don't know, we'll find out. But this in general is not going to go shooting up. Bitcoin, for example, could, I'm not saying it would, anything I'm saying here, guys, is just what I think. It's not what is going to happen, okay? No one knows what's going to happen. But what I'm trying to say is Bitcoin, for example, right now it's around $6,500, $7,000. So Bitcoin could be by the end of the year $20,000. Again, it could be. However, it could be the opposite. It could drop down to $4,000. So the point what I'm trying to say is the risk you take in cryptocurrency is much higher, but the reward could be much higher. However, gold is something that it's going to be, your money is going to be safe here, and you could make a few percent a year on this. However, it's more safe, okay? Now, let's talk about silver. These are little 100-gram bars, as you will see. And again, I do love kind of holding physical gold and silver. Now, another thing is obviously you have paper silver, paper gold, ETFs, which you trade online. I personally enjoy having physical, because physical gold, physical silver is much harder to get, and it's always going to be a higher premium for it, okay? And also it's more safe. A lot of these online we call them paper gold, paper silver, there's always available to buy because it's not physical, but this is physical. This is another bar from Pamps. This is also something I like to hold. So what I'm trying to say is that those things here is more safe in terms of your currency. Now, by the way, guys, this is money. This is money. So if you buy this, right, with your currency, this will be money. So it's not like you're spending money on something that you spent on. This is actually, you're buying money. So long term, your money will be safe, and potentially, well, not potentially, most likely it will go up in value. So this, for example, if all this in my hand here costs $1,000, in 10 years time, this can be worth, compared to the dollar, $5,000 or $3,000. I don't know, but it will definitely be worth more than $1,000 I paid for it over long term. A number of reasons. As I just mentioned before, countries are printing money, especially now with this whole economy problem. And that means the dollar will have less power value. So, in other words, this will be worth more against the dollar. So this is just my thoughts and my opinion. And as I said, I do enjoy holding these things. That's why I thought I'll do a video about this. Let me know if you like this kind of stuff, because I do enjoy these kind of things. And as you guys know, on my channel, I like to do things I actually enjoy, and not just do stupid videos. I like to do educational videos or just more interesting stuff. And another thing is, if you're looking to buy these kind of things, you have to be very cautious. You don't want to buy them from somewhere like eBay, because you could get fake stuff around as well. And the last thing you want to do is spend your money or currency on fake bars, because then you basically just lost your currency. So definitely go through a proper dealer, like a bullion dealer, so you know that you're getting real stuff. And with crypto, if you want to buy crypto, you can actually use my link in the description, where you'll get a free $10 bonus worth of Bitcoin as a bonus if you buy through my link in the description. And again, guys, with crypto, it's definitely more risky compared to gold and silver. And by the way, guys, many people are saying now is the time to buy silver, because silver is at extremely low prices compared to it was years ago. And they say that it could go shooting up in the next, next couple of months or something. So I definitely like to buy some silver anyway, so I definitely bought some extra. Do buy large amounts. You don't want to keep them around, because obviously, a little gold bar that size could be worth $10,000, and you don't want to lose it, or you don't want it to be gone. So you got to be smart also where you keep your stuff. But yeah, this is just my thoughts on Bitcoin versus gold and silver. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you have, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye now.